Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very beautiful collection of Dola Silk sarees. The material used is light in weight, soft in nature and comfortable to wear for any kind of occasions. The sarees are coming with rich printed pallu and blouse. The zari weaving, symmetrical borders enhancing the elegance of this collection, and these beautiful collections are priced at 710 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states also the shipping charges be very less, from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please note our payment mode is through online only, and if you wanted our quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for pure Kanchipuram silk sarees with silk mass certification, fancy silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys enjoyed these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.